Standard costing has long been a staple of managerial accounting, providing a systematic way to track and control costs in the manufacturing environment. By establishing predetermined benchmarks for material, labor, and overhead expenses, standard costing allows companies to measure performance, identify variances, and make informed decisions about production and pricing. However, the effectiveness of standard costing relies heavily on the accuracy and timeliness of the data used to set and monitor cost standards. In today's fast paced, data driven business environment, traditional manual methods of collecting and analyzing cost data are no longer sufficient. To remain competitive and make sound financial decisions, companies must leverage technology to improve the accuracy and efficiency of their standard costing processes. Two key technologies that are transforming standard costing are enterprise resource planning systems and data analytics. When used together, these tools can provide real-time visibility into production costs, streamline variance analysis, and support continuous improvement efforts. Let's take a closer look at how each of these technologies can benefit your standard costing process. ERP systems, the foundation of accurate costing. An ERP system is an integrated software platform that manages core business processes such as accounting, procurement, production, and sales. By bringing all of these functions together in a single system, ERP provides a centralized repository for financial and operational data, including the information needed for standard costing. Here are some specific ways that ERP systems can support more accurate and efficient standard costing. Centralized data management. ERP systems provide a single source of truth for all cost-related data, including materials prices, labor rates, and overhead allocations. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors or inconsistencies. Real-time cost tracking. With an ERP system, actual production costs can be tracked in real time as transactions occur. This allows for more timely and accurate comparisons to standard costs and helps identify variances as they happen, rather than waiting until the end of a reporting period. Automated variance analysis. Many ERP systems include built-in tools for variance analysis, which can automatically calculate the difference between standard and actual cost and flag significant variances for further investigation. This saves time and ensures that all variances are properly accounted for. Integration with other systems. ERP systems can integrate with other software tools used in the production process, such as manufacturing execution systems or quality control systems. This allows for seamless data flow and eliminates the need for manual data transfer between systems. Improved cost visibility. By providing a comprehensive view of all production costs in a single system, ERP can help managers better understand the drivers of cost variances and make more informed decisions about where to focus improvement efforts. While implementing an ERP system can be a significant investment, the benefits in terms of improved accuracy, efficiency, and decision-making can be substantial. By automating many of the manual tasks associated with standard costing, and providing real-time visibility into production costs, ERP lays the foundation for more effective cost control and performance management. Data analytics, turning cost data into insights. While ERP systems are essential for capturing and managing cost data, it's data analytics that allows companies to turn that data into actionable insights. By using statistical techniques and visualization tools to analyze large volumes of cost data, managers can identify patterns, trends, and opportunities for improvement that may not be immediately apparent from raw numbers alone. Here are some ways that data analytics can enhance standard costing and drive better decision making. Predictive cost modeling. By using historical cost data to build predictive models, companies can forecast future costs more accurately and set more realistic standards. This can help prevent large variances and ensure that cost targets are achievable given current market conditions and operational constraints. Root cause analysis. When variances do occur, data analytics can help identify the underlying drivers of those variances by examining relationships between different cost elements and production variables. This can guide managers to the specific processes or decisions that need to be addressed to bring costs back in line with standards. Scenario analysis. Data analytics allows managers to test the impact of different cost scenarios on profitability and performance. By simulating changes to materials prices, labor rates, or production volumes, companies can make more informed decisions about pricing, product mix, and capacity utilization. Benchmarking and best practices. By comparing cost performance to industry benchmarks or best-in-class companies, data analytics can help identify areas where the company may be lagging behind and identify opportunities for improvement. This external perspective can be valuable for setting ambitious yet achievable cost targets. Continuous improvement. Data analytics supports a culture of continuous improvement by providing a feedback loop for cost performance. By constantly monitoring variances and using insights to drive corrective action, companies can create a virtuous cycle of cost optimization over time. To fully realize the benefits of data analytics for standard costing, companies need to invest in the right tools and talent. This may include specialized software for data visualization and statistical analysis, as well as hiring or training employees with data science and business intelligence skills. It also requires a willingness to experiment, iterate, and make data driven decisions even when they challenge long held assumptions or practices. Automation, the key to real time cost control. One of the biggest challenges in standard costing is the time lag between when costs are incurred and when they are reported and analyzed. This delay can make it difficult to identify and correct variances in a timely manner, leading to missed opportunities for cost savings and increased risk of financial losses. Automation is a powerful tool for overcoming this challenge and enabling real time cost control. By using sensors, machine learning algorithms, and other advanced technologies to capture and process cost data automatically, companies can eliminate manual data entry, reduce errors, and provide near instant visibility into production costs. Here are some examples of how automation can improve standard costing accuracy and efficiency. Automated data capture, sensors, and IoT devices can be used to automatically capture data on materials consumption, machine utilization, and labor hours in real time. This data can be fed directly into the ERP system or other costing software, eliminating the need for manual input and reducing the risk of errors. Machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze cost data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate a variance or opportunity for improvement. These algorithms can learn from historical data and adapt over time, becoming more accurate and effective at flagging issues as they arise. Robotic process automation. RPA can be used to automate repetitive tasks associated with standard costing, such as data entry, reconciliation, and report generation. By freeing up human workers from these routine tasks, RPA allows them to focus on higher value activities such as analysis and decision making. Real-time dashboards and alerts. Automated data capture and analysis enables the creation of real-time dashboards and alerts that provide instant visibility into cost performance. Managers can monitor key metrics such as variances, utilization rates, and quality levels in near real time, allowing them to make faster, more informed decisions about production and cost control. Predictive maintenance. By using sensors and machine learning algorithms to monitor equipment performance, companies can predict when maintenance will be needed and schedule it proactively. This can help reduce downtime, extend asset life, and minimize the impact of equipment failures on production costs. While automation can be a game changer for standard costing accuracy and efficiency, it's important to approach it strategically. Companies need to carefully consider which processes are best suited for automation, how to integrate automated systems with existing workflows, and how to manage the change process with employees. It's also essential to ensure that automated systems are properly validated and maintained over time to ensure ongoing accuracy and reliability, using technology to improve standard costing. Conclusion. In today's data-driven business environment, technology is no longer a nice-to-have for standard costing, it's a necessity. By leveraging ERP systems, data analytics, and automation, companies can improve the accuracy, timeliness, and efficiency of their costing processes, leading to better decision-making and improved financial performance. ERP systems provide a centralized platform for managing cost data, enabling real-time tracking, automated variance analysis, and improved visibility into cost drivers. Data analytics turns that raw data into actionable insights, allowing managers to identify trends, test scenarios, and drive continuous improvement. Automation streamlines data capture and processing, enabling near instant visibility into production costs and reducing the risk of errors or delays. Of course, implementing these technologies is not a quick or easy process. It requires significant investments in software, hardware, and talent, as well as a willingness to change long-standing processes and ways of working. But for companies that are committed to improving their cost management and staying competitive in today's fast-paced business environment, the benefits of technology-enabled standard costing are clear. By providing more accurate, timely, and actionable cost data, these technologies can help managers make better decisions about pricing, production, and resource allocation. They can also help identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiency improvements, driving down expenses and improving profitability over time. Ultimately, the goal of technology in standard costing is to support a culture of continuous improvement and data-driven decision-making. By empowering managers with the tools and insights they need to optimize cost and drive performance, companies can create a virtuous cycle of innovation, growth, and profitability. As the pace of technological change continues to accelerate, the role of technology in standard costing will only become more important. Companies that embrace these tools and use them strategically will be well positioned to thrive in the years ahead, while those that cling to outdated manual processes will find themselves at a growing disadvantage. So, if you haven't already, now is the time to start exploring how ERP, data analytics, and automation can benefit your standard costing process. With the right investments and a commitment to continuous improvement, you can unlock the full potential of these powerful technologies and drive better business outcomes for your organization.